they're also going to ask us to divide rational expressions. So before we actually divide rational expressions, I want to go back and look at dividing two fractions. So when we divide two fractions, we copy the first fraction, we change it to a multiplication problem, and we flip the second fraction. So if we were given the question 5 over 2 divided by 4 over 3, we would change that to 5 over 2 times 3 over 4 and then solve it. So it's the exact same thing for rational expressions. And a lot of people like to use the phrase copy dot flip because you're copying the first one, you're changing it to a dot or a multiplication, and then you're flipping the second one. So this is going to be 7 over y minus 5 times 3y minus 15 over 28. And then I want to factor as much as possible. So the 7, I can't factor that. The y minus 5 I can't factor. I can factor 3 out of the top right, so that will leave me with a y minus 5. And then I have a 28. So these y minus 5s will cancel out. And now this is a multiplication question, so the 7 and the 3, I do need to multiply those. That would be 21 over the 28 that's left over there. And then if I divide those both by 7, that will reduce to 3 over 4.